Big
God
bang,
is the
bang,
Big
bang, bang,
Bang.
bang, bang.
In the beginning, there was a great surge. It was for expanding universe.
In the beginning, there was a great surge. So far, we're spelling out the word surge, it looks like. The S stands for the second law of thermodynamics, and the U is for the universe is expanding. Part 2. These facts give atheists a lot of trouble, as they did on a rainy night in Georgia in April of 1998. That night, Frank Turek, attended a debate in Atlanta on the question, does God exist? William Lane Craig took the affirmative position, and Peter Atkins took the negative position. Ooh, I like William Lane Craig. I learned a lot from him, bro. The debate was highly spirited and even humorous at times, partially due to the moderator, William F. Buckley, Jr. Buckley did not hide his favoritism for Craig's pro-God position. After introducing Craig his impressive credentials, Buckley began to introduce Atkins by cracking on the side of the devil is Dr. Peter Atkins. That's funny. So while they were introducing each other, he's like, yo, this guy's on the side of the devil and this guy's on the side of God. Technically, he is, right? Because anything opposes God has to be from the devil. One of Craig's 5 arguments for the existence of God was the cosmological argument as supported by the Big Bang evidence we've been discussing here. He pointed out that the universe, all time, all matter, all space, exploded out of nothing, a fact that Atkins had conceded in his book and reaffirmed later in debate that night. And since Craig spoke first, he informed the audience how Atkins attempted to explain the universe from an atheist's perspective in his book, The Creation Revisited. Dr. Atkins struggles mightily to explain how the universe could come into existence uncaused out of nothing, but in the end, he finds himself trapped on a self-contradiction. He writes, now we go back into time beyond the moment of creation to where there was no time and to where there was no space, and at this time before he imagines a swirling dust of a mathematical point in which combines again and again and again and finally comes by trial and error out of space-time universe. What? So he thinks there's nothing, and then suddenly there's some dust, and then that's explodes like 2 atoms into space, and then what? Buka.